Welcome back, folks. We got us a new build lined up. Tell you a little bit about this bike. Picked this bike up at the last Pate swap meet. We were walking along, the wife spotted it, and I was like, nah, I don't need another bike. I already bought my limit of stuff that I wanted to carry back home. So she went back, shot the guy an offer. I went back and actually looked at the bike. She's like, got him down to a pretty good deal. Don't know anything about it, but it came with a free seat. So let's take a look at this heap right here. It is a Motovox. And like I said, it was a smoking deal because it come with the free seat. Yeah, that was the free seat. But anyway, so I've been kicking the idea around. I did the red Motovox. You want to go back and check that out on the channel. And I thought I kind of hurried through that one, I guess. I did a few things, but I thought, well, I've been kicking the idea around, and I had this one, so I just drug it out of the shed. Now, this thing was a heap. The chain was so rusted that the back tire was locked up. That's how rusted the chain was. It did not have a drop of oil in it at all, so I just put oil in it. The gas tank smells raunchy. The back tire is like history, it's flat. The front end is real wobbly. But the rest of the frame is decent. Now the motor, I don't know what it is, but can see up in there. The governors already have, normally you have the governor come through this shaft right here. This is just a deleted boss. So there's no place where the governor came through. So this was a I guess you could say a non-governed motor from the factory, however it was made. So I'm not sure what it is. There's some numbers and stuff stamped down on the front. I don't know. There's a tag on it. I didn't really get anything off of it, but it already had the engine plate. But yeah, this is a pretty sad bike. So I'm gonna see if we can get it to pop off and see if this motor even runs at all. Like I said, the gas tank's raunchy, brakes are all froze up, they don't work. But I figure I'm gonna see if this bike will run before I even rip it apart. And if it cranks up, we might do something fun with it. So let me throw a little gas in it and see if it'll kick over. All right, I went ahead and did put oil in it because it didn't have a drop of oil in it. I aired up the back tire, put gas in it. So since the motor had no oil in it, we're gonna see what lasts the longest on the bike. Whether the motor blows up, the back tire blows up, or it disintegrates what's left of this rusty chain. But I have confidence it sounded like it wanted to pop. So we're gonna see if this thing will hit a lick and see how it sounds. We got it on. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe it wants to. Oh, I think so. It's trying. Is the kill switch in the right way? Let's try that. I think that's wrong too. There it is. Woo! About wore out. So power didn't last. Motor seems to run really good. I think the motor stopped smoking. All right, well, stay tuned to see what we do with this heap from the paint swap meet.